Over 1 year ago, the globe was hit with an international pandemic, the coronavirus. People were dying every day, with a rapidly increasing death toll, resulting in a collective state of despair in what seemed to be a hopeless world. In many parts of our planet, coronavirus remains an active threat to this day. For many living with mental health problems, strong emotions such as despair, anxiety, or depression can show up suddenly and often. The virus thrust people into new situations, such as social isolation and financial losses, which exacerbated existing cases, while several new cases arose. Before the pandemic, many found mental health services to be vital, yet funding was too low to support everyone who needed them. This was made worse last year with the rapid surges in grief, loneliness, anxiety, panic, trauma, and more. Right now, Mind needs your help. Mind is a mental health charity dedicated to supporting everyone living with a mental health problem. Whether that's through campaigning to improve services, spreading understanding, preventing discrimination, or providing helplines to those who really need somebody to talk to. Through Mind's peer support network, experiences can be shared to support each other in a welcoming community without judgment. A national system of 125 local support centers by the name of Local Minds had to shut down face-to-face services, but are still offering helplines and other services online. Mental health is unique to every individual, and Local Minds are able to focus on providing the best services for local communities. This could be anything from talking therapies to crisis care, or support with jobs or living accommodation. After merging with Depression Alliance in 2016, Local Minds began delivering well-being services and self-help groups committed to treating depression. The charity also provides professional training for applied suicide intervention skills and first aid. In the past year, we have seen a greater proportion of deaths from ethnic minority groups, highlighting inequalities to charities such as Mind. It was already known that systemic racism, social inequalities, and economic inequalities will very often lead to mental health diagnoses, hospital admission, and poor treatment outcomes. The coronavirus has been spreading and worsening these effects. Prior to this crisis, there had been a huge difference between the spending on physical health and on mental health. With so much focus on finding a treatment for the virus, mental health charities will need an immense amount of support in destroying this divide post-crisis. 1 in 4 people experience a mental health problem in a typical year without a pandemic, with 3/4 receiving no support in that year. It is clear that Mind needs all the support you can give, so please, click on that link in the description, press the vote button, and donate to Mind, so that Mind can be there for whoever is in need. If you need help, or if you want to learn more, there are some links in the description that you can check out.